Hey there, curious minds! Welcome back to Lit Science. Do you know it's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open? Sounds crazy, right? When you sneeze, air shoots out super fast, like over 100 miles per hour. Your brain quickly sends a message to your eyelid muscles. Shut those eyes! Your eyelids closes immediately to protect your eyes from the germs flying out of your nose and mouth. This happens at lightning speed and you can't even control it. So next time you sneeze, do not try. Your body is already one step ahead. Cool, right? Stay curious and keep asking why. Quick facts, big impact. 1 minute is all it takes to get smarter. Subscribe. Bye bye.